So let's start with the importing part. So we just want to import 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 matplotlib. So matplotlib dot pyplots pyplot as plt, because we need to take from there. Then we need for numpy also, because we are taking it from the numerical arrangement. We needed to see that, so we go with import numpy as np, and then we can go ahead with the figures and things what you wanted. So I'm just going towards to the fig fig, and then the x's, so I just go with the x's values. So x's equals to, we just go with the plt dot subplot. So we go with subplots on, and the subplots your wish, like what the values you want to keep. So I'm giving the how many subplots I needed. So I needed the 3 subplots. I go with 1 comma 3, and then now you have to go with the figure size, fig size. So fig size, so I'm just going with fig size equals to, and then whatever the size you want to provide it, so I'm just providing the particular size on that. Then going to arrangement, like when you want to use it x-axis as well as the y-axis, so you need to provide also that x-axis values and the y-axis values. So let's move to x-axis. X equals to np, that will be the alias name for numpy, because you need to use it the numpy concept to arrange it the x-axis on that. So we are going with that particular x-axis. So x equals to np, then dot arrange, ARANGE. In a arrange you need to give like how many are there, 1 comma 11. So that's done, your arrangement is done. Now moving to x's. So x's of your 0, 0 equals to, now you're moving to the plotting. So go with plot, and then moving towards to the values like x, then whatever the plotting you need to do. I'm just going with the 2 here, then green, red, blue, that's your wish what you want to give it. We already see in the previous session like you can do the changes on that. So I need to go with your rubber my red, and then the values like from how we have to go see that lw equals to 2. So my the first x's 0 is done. Now let's move to the other x's one by one. I'm going with x's of 0. In that we need to go the grid. So this is the main method, so we need to do the gridding on that. So when you do the grid means it will become in the grid way, and you need to put the true, like you need it like in a square things you need it. So go with the true, and then going with the another excess of 0. Another excess of 0. When you go with another excess of 0, and then go with the things where like the things are there, so it will be the dots, because we need to go at the things the grading here as well, the dots. And now set the titles. We need to set the titles. So title, it's your wish what you want to give. So I'm going with title, and I'm just giving you the grade example, GRID grade example code. So example code, so I'm just going with grade example code. And then when you're done with this grading, go with another excess of 0, and then dot plot, like we need almost 3 for 0 axis. Now move to 1, like the same we are giving for here. First we want to go with plots, because that is the first one. So go with the plots. Here I'm giving the values x comma np.exe of your x. So we just go with that. Now the colors, like what colors you want. Suppose I need it in green, so I just gave a green of G. So my these things are done. Now move to grid, because we need to go the another one is grid. So 1 dot grid method. So here what happened, when you go with the grid, you can change the grid's colors as well on that, like whatever the things you wanted on that particular grid. So I'm going with the colors, So color equals to, you can go with the any colors you want. Like if you want to change the grid colors, already I gave the green, so I just go with the grid color, it's red. And then I'm going with ls equals to like how you need to it should look, right? So you can give that particular area, so I need it like this only, so I'm just giving that particular ls on that, like how I need to see. And then go with the values, like how the grid will be the lw, the lowest will be the there, so 0.25. so my gridding is done. So after that, move to the setting down, right? When you're done with the grid, need to set it. So go with axis of 1 because we are still in a 1. So now set title. So we need here as well set title. So in a set title, yours like how the grid example code for the first one, this is the custom one, right? Like when we just changes, so updated grid. Okay, you can give this is the just a title, your wish to give the title. So after that, when you're done with this, set both the axis. So axis 2, we need to know grid, like normally set that I like we don't want to give the grid, the normal one. So we go with axis of 2, the like third axis. Just we do the plot on that. In a plot we just use x comma x comma s. Plotting is done, and then move to axis of 2 dot your like set title, you have to give the title. So set title title, so title normal, nothing, there is no like grids and all, so normal, we just use it, we just use a normal one. Yeah, done. And then just fix the everything, the tight layout, like so I just go with fig, we already use it first, right? Tight, tight layout, like what you use it, and at last need to show that, so plt dot show, show. So what we have to do first, we need to just import the matplot.pyplot as plt. Then we are moving to the numpy concept to tickets, then fig axis, then you have to go with your plt.subplots because it's need a plots. Go with the plots, then give the size of that, and the fixed size, whatever the fixed size you need to give, that's your ways to give the fixed size, how you need to arrange it. Then given the x values, you can arrange it the values from where to where you want it. Then the main things comes from the x's, so x's start from 0 when you just plotting with the x comma 2, and the colors you change it, and the values you need to give. Then the grids will be true, like if you want to go with that, then title is normal. The same way for plot for x with the exp of that x, because you need to go with the exponential on that. So np you are taking from the numpy, and then the green, like the colors how we want. So we need to see that when we run this, we got this output where we have a grid example code, updated grid, which we updated with the red colors, and the normal one. So this is how you have to use a grid method in a matplotlib. I hope you're clear with that. Thank you.